To slow down battery aging on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll all the way down and move into the battery settings, and then move for the battery health. And right here, you can find two functions which will help you with the battery aging, which will slow down the battery aging. And the first one is the charging limit, which will, to delay the battery aging, the battery level will be kept at 80% while charging. So like this feature makes the phone not charge to 100% completely. It will keep the phone at 80% at all the times, and it will not be able to charge more. And this is a very useful function. It's like the best way to help your battery aging, to help with this problem actually. And there's a second function which will resume charging at 95%, and the charging automatically will stop when the battery is fully charged, and it will resume when your battery level drops below 95%. So what I recommend you to do is to actually go for the charging limit, and this is the best thing what you can do to slow down the battery aging as much as you can. And you can't actually use both these functions because they're doing like when you're having this one enabled, you will be not able to actually, this function will not be able to actually even perform, like execute itself. So like I recommend you to use the charging limit, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can do this.